Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. After enjoying all those sweet treats from last month, I'm definitely feeling super satisfied, but I'm also feeling a few pounds heavier. So for this month, I thought we would balance out our indulgences by doing a new theme, Junk-Free January. For this month of January, we'll be making 4 recipes that will hopefully help aid you in returning to a more balanced diet after all those sweet treats. For this week's episode, we will be making some Lemon-Rosemary Salmon Steaks. For this recipe, you will need just 6 ingredients: 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 4 6-ounce salmon fillets, or 1 24-ounce salmon fillet, and some salt and pepper. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then while we wait, we'll prepare the salmon. In a medium baking dish, combine the lemon juice, olive oil, and rosemary. Then, season your salmon fillets with your salt and pepper. Once they're seasoned to your liking, add your fillets to the dish and rub them around to coat them with the marinade. Add some lemon slices if you like, and let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. When you're ready to cook it, cover the dish with some foil and bake it until the fish is fully cooked, about 20 minutes or so. And since we have time to kill, and since this video would only be 2 minutes long otherwise, I will be making a side dish to go alongside the salmon. So, for our bonus recipe, we will be making some green bean almondine. This recipe is even simpler, only requiring 5 ingredients: 1 pound or so of green beans, 1/4 cup or so of silvered or sliced almonds, half teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and some salt and pepper for seasoning. First, bring a large pot of water to a boil. For a time save, you can do this while you marinate your salmon. Then, once it's ready, add some salt, and then add your green beans and boil them until they are tender, about 2 to 4 minutes. Once it's to your liking, drain the water completely and then drizzle the beans with some olive oil and season with some salt and pepper. Give it a little mix and then set it aside for now. Next, warm up a non-stick or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Spray it with some oil and then add your almond slices. Stir them frequently for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they're nice and toasted. And try not to burn them too much. When you're ready, reduce the heat to medium and add your green beans. Cook them for another 2 minutes, allowing them to char a bit. Then they should be good to go. Your salmon should be about done by now, so once it's ready, remove the pan from the oven and peel back the foil to reveal the fruits of your labor. And with that, your lemon rosemary salmon steak and green bean almondine are now ready to eat. I mentioned this in the last video, but one of my favorite things about Mike Matthews' Shredded Chef cookbook is how simple the ingredients are and how quickly you can make a delicious and nutritious meal in about 30 minutes. And one good thing about this recipe in particular is that it's very easy to meal prep with. This will allow you to save even more time during the busy work week so that you can still enjoy a healthy meal without having to spend the time cooking it every day. Speaking of which, in the book, he includes pretty helpful cooking advice that will help anyone become a better chef. I hope to do the same with this show, but if you want your tips in written form, I highly recommend checking it out. If you want to purchase a copy, I bought mine from Mike's website, legionathletics.com, and if you want 20% off of your first purchase, you can use the referral link in the description. We will be doing one more recipe from this book for this month, so if you want to see a bit more from this book before buying it, stay tuned. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. Dang, these are great.